Okay, so I'm going to show you how to solve the second order linear differential equation with constant coefficient. So let's see, you are given y double prime plus 4y prime plus 3y equal to 0. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is to write down the auxiliary equation. So what is the corresponding auxiliary equation? Okay, so based on this, the corresponding auxiliary equation is m square plus 4m plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, so after you get this auxiliary equation, so the next step is to find the root m. Okay, so how to get the root m? There are so many methods that you can find the m. Okay, you can use factoring method, you can use calculator, you can use also quadratic formula. Okay, so here let's see you can use your calculator. So I'm using factoring method, so I factor this, become m plus 1, m plus 3. If you use a calculator, make sure you get the same root as mine. So I get here my first root is, I put negative 1. My second root, I put negative 3. So it doesn't matter if you want to put your first is negative 3, your second is negative 1. So it doesn't matter, as long as you get the two clear roots, negative 1, negative 3. So I get two different roots here, negative 1 and negative 3. So based on this, I can get my solution. Here. Okay, the corresponding solution for the first root here, y1, I just substitute the negative x into the exponential form, so negative x, and the y2, okay, since that negative 3 here, I put e to the power negative 3x. So these are my corresponding solution. So my general solution is y equal to c1y1 plus c2y2. So the final answer is c1 e to the power of negative x plus c2 e to the power of negative 3x. That's it. Okay, I'm going to solve the equation y double prime minus 8y prime plus 25y equal to 0. So since that this is the second order linear equation with the constant coefficient, so I can solve using the method of auxiliary equation. Okay, so I start with the auxiliary equation. Okay, so the corresponding auxiliary equation here is m square minus 8m plus 25 equal to 0. Okay, so this is the auxiliary equation, okay, for the given equation. So and then after that, okay, I just need to find the roots. Okay, find the roots. Okay, so here to find the root, we can use your calculator. We can use the calculator to get the m. Okay, so let's say I'm using calculator and then I get my m here is 4 plus minus 3i. Okay, so make sure you get the same root here, m. Okay, if you use the calculator. If you use the quadratic formula, also you will get the same answer, because this one we cannot using factorization. Okay, okay, now after you get this m equal to 4 plus minus 3i, so we can see that the value of alpha, okay, the value for alpha is equal to 4 and the value for beta equal to 3. And from here, I get my corresponding solution, okay, which is y1. The formula is e to the power of alpha x cos beta x, okay. Okay, and then my y1 will be e to the power of 4x cos 3x, where my y2, I just put the solution here, e to the power of 4x. I just repeat this one. I just change the cos becomes sine 3x. So these are my corresponding solution for this equation. And then after that, the next one will be the general solution. So therefore, okay, the general solution is y equal to c1 y1 plus c2 y2. So y equal to c1 e to the power of 4x cos 3x plus C2 e to the power of 4x sine 3x.